Hey guys, welcome to week 36 of 52, hashtag Realtor Life. I didn't skip, but I didn't label last week's video 35 of 52 because you probably saw that I did some other, I did that other video, which was super cool and something kind of new that I'm doing. Anyway, this is week 36 of 52, and I wanted to talk to you about my own experience. By the way, my floors are still being done, but they look awesome, and it's extremely laborious and dusty, and I'm excited. But I have to say, if you're gonna get white tile or whitish tile, you see everything. Oh my God. My beige tile was super forgiving. I'm gonna miss that. Anyway, so this week's video is going to speak on home warranty, my personal experience. I have a client who is a professional football player and lives here part-time. And he's been in another state the other times. And I said, listen, put a home warranty on your house. I gave him the information to who I use, which I'll share with you. This is not a commercial, but I can only share with you that it's been such a good experience for me. So lo and behold, he came back in town. We're going to be putting his house on the market in November. And it's August, or it was August actually, the end of August. And its air conditioning was broken. And he said, Wendy, you're a genius. And I said, why? He said the home warranty paid off exponentially. It was a $2,500 repair for $69. So, but then, which was super cool, I was like, I didn't even remember offering that, because why not? Me as a realtor, you guys, it took me, I mean, you know my video about the termites, how bad I had those. So I'm guilty. I mean, whatever. But I finally put a home warranty on my house about a year and a half ago. My house is 19 years old, and most of the stuff I have is in original condition, hence my new floors. But you know, you get so busy and stuff. But anyway, so downstairs air conditioning, I have 2 units. My house is 3,100 square feet. It was hot. It was not working. Then it started working. Then it didn't. I was like, ugh. So I finally called the home warranty. I got a call that day. They came out today at 10 o'clock a.m. and it was all of my, I keep getting all these text messages, all of my Freon was gone. All my Freon was gone in my unit, and my units are like original. So I'm waiting for one of them to go to the grave, or 2 of them to go to the grave. But anyway, so all the Freon was gone. I got all new Freon, all of it, and I don't even know how many pounds go into each unit, but it was $69. So the company is called OneGuard Home Warranty. I did a Facebook post and I asked everybody in the community, not realtors and affiliates, who they suggested, and OneGuard overwhelmingly came in. They also cover, at the end of 2020, Freons are going to change. For the environmentally efficient Freons will change. To be honest, I don't even know what that even looks like for my units, if they even survive that long. But so keep that in mind. Home warranties are not bad. Some can be, but I have to tell you that my experience so far with this company has been really, really good. So super pleased with that. If you do need other information, of course, just message me. But as always, if you are looking to buy or sell, oh, he just texted me, the football player. As always, if you know anybody who needs to buy or sell, please send them my way. I'll take great care of them. I also can refer to great agents out of state, so keep that in mind, all right? Talk to you later for week 37 of 52 and hashtag Realtor Life, and I hope you have a great weekend.